Today we're going to unbox the Movo Edge UC Duo, the latest in Movo's wireless lavalier microphones. Let's get into it. The wireless mic kit comes in a neatly designed product box, and on the back is a QR code so you can activate for a 2-year warranty on the product. Opening the box, you'll find a hard carrying case, as well as the product manual and a little customer survey. The carrying case is conveniently lightweight and durable. Inside the Edge UC Duo kit, you'll find 2 wireless transmitters, 2 lapel mics, 2 lapel clips, 2 windscreens, as well as a USB Type-C receiver. There's also a small pairing pin so you can easily reset your transmitter's connection without a hitch. Store it and other small accessories in the zippered pocket to secure all your easy-to-lose items. Let's take a closer look at the transmitter. This is a small, low-profile body pack. It's lightweight, comes with a belt clip which rotates 160 degrees and can come off easily if the need arises. The clip's mouth is textured for a more secure hold, preventing slippage and falls. The transmitter is powered off of 2 AAA batteries and is powered on and off with the touch of a switch. An indicator light on the front of the transmitter will confirm the device is on and will notify you when your battery is low by flashing red. The internal antenna is located at the bottom edge of the transmitter by the pairing button and should be kept clear of any obstructions. At the top of the transmitter is the microphone and line-in 3.5mm inputs. The transmitter works in tandem with the USB Type-C receiver and powers up the moment you plug it into your recording device. The LED indicator light will begin blinking blue to let you know it's ready to connect to a transmitter. Each transmitter and receiver leave the factory prepared, so all you need to do is plug them in, power them on, and wait for them to sync. The Edge series receiver features a 3.5mm headphone jack so you can monitor your sound in real time. At the bottom of the receiver, you're going to find the volume button as well as the mono and stereo switch. Check out our quick start video linked below for our reset demo. The Edge features an omnidirectional lavalier microphone, foam windscreen, and a lapel clip. Once you put the lav mic together, then you can plug it into the transmitter's 3.5mm input for hands-free, better audio experience. Finally, let's look at the carrying case. It's lightweight, durable, and it protects your gear on the go. It can easily open up like a clamshell to see your compartments inside. Easily find your microphone and accessories in the foam cutouts, as well as the pocketed compartment above, which holds your SD cards, cables, and dongles. For an exceptional wireless lavalier microphone kit for your smartphone and tablet, get yourself the Movo Edge UC Duo. For more videos like this and other Movo products, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And if you found this video helpful, go ahead and leave a comment down below and like. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.